Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer and the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer. These are two of the best air fryers on the market, and we are going to see which one you should invest in for your kitchen. So if you are ready, let's get started. And don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Both air fryers have a modern touchscreen design, but the GoWISE has a more sleek and compact design, while the Emeril Lagasse is bulkier and takes up more counter space. Winner, GoWISE USA. The GoWISE has 8 preset cooking options and a manual control option, which is great for people who like to customize their cooking. The Emeril Lagasse, on the other hand, has 24 custom presets, giving you a wider range of cooking options. Winner, Emeril Lagasse. The Emeril Lagasse has a larger 26-quart capacity, making it perfect for cooking larger meals for your family. The GoWISE has a smaller capacity, but it does come with a basket divider that allows you to cook 2 different meals at once. Winner, Emeril Lagasse. Thanks to rapid air technology, both air fryers are able to cook food up to 30% faster than traditional ovens. However, the Emeril Lagasse can reach a higher temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving it an edge in cooking time. Winner, Emeril Lagasse. The Emeril Lagasse air fryer comes with more accessories, including a crisper tray basket, air fryer rack, baking pan, grill plate, rotisserie spit set, rotisserie fetch tool, and drip tray. The GoWISE only comes with a basket divider and a recipe book. Winner, Emeril Lagasse. The GoWISE USA air fryer is priced at $73, while the Emeril Lagasse air fryer is priced higher at $199. Winner, GoWISE USA. And that's a wrap. It was a close call, but overall, we would recommend the Emeril Lagasse air fryer if you have the budget for it and need a larger cooking capacity. But if you are on a budget and want a sleeker design, the GoWISE USA air fryer is a great choice too. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.